Are you tired of missing important events because Google Calendar's default reminders aren't enough? Learn how to set custom event reminders in under 2 minutes. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to edit any event's notifications, choose the type and timing, and save your custom reminder. First, click the event you want to edit to open its details. Then click the pencil icon to edit the event. Now scroll down to the notification bell icon and click the drop-down menu. Select the type of notification you want from the list. Then, set when you want to be notified by choosing a number from the drop-down. Next, click the Minutes or Hours drop-down to pick your preferred time unit. Finally, click Hours to confirm the time unit. Once you're done, click Save to apply the changes. That's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.